Hi, my name is JB from the Philippines. I work as an admin staff in a condominium for 9 months, where I manage daily office tasks and document organization, also assisting brokers for property viewings. Later, I spent 5 years as a financial negotiator and also promoted as team leader, where my role focused on payments follow-up for Pag-ibig housing loan monthly amortization, and also preparing report for team performance in weekly and monthly basis, where I strengthen my skills in communication, organization, and problem solving. I'm skilled in tools such as CRM system, Canva, Zoom, Microsoft Office, and I can quickly adapt with the new platform as needed. My skills includes data entry, scheduling, client communication, and reporting. And I also believe in hard work and integrity can help support businesses and team run smoothly. Once again, my name is JB, and I am excited to contribute my skills as a virtual assistant. Thank you.